Hi, today we're going to unbox the OMRON automatic blood pressure monitor. This is a standard version, and let's take a look what is inside this box. So this one here has a model HEM-7121, and let's open up and let's check on the inside what you expect to get. So here I'm just gonna pull out everything in here. So there's nothing else inside. So we got a warranty information booklet. We got a menu booklet right here, a how-to booklet. Then we got the main machine. It is in a grab at the moment. So here I will cut up, and this is the device right here. So here is the device. It is in a grab. Now this device uses 4 AA batteries. So let's open it up and have a look. So you can see here, this uses 4 AA battery, 1.5 volt, R6 AA battery. Or you can plug it in with a power adapter or a power source. So I'm just going to close this one up. And let's open up this unit over here. So here I can see it also comes with battery. There is no power supply to this unit. So there is no power supply at all. It will need to be run on battery. And if you do have a power supply, you can plug it directly into here. It's got DC 6 volt, so if you have a small power supply, you can plug it in, but it does not come with this package. And so you can plug this in into the device here. And here's the hand strap. And so that is everything inside the box. And that's the battery right there. So here we can plug in the battery and have a quick look at it. I'm just going to put the battery in. And this one. Then I'll put in the last battery. So you need 4 battery. And I'm just going to close the back cover. And here you can press on the start or stop button to turn it on. And that's it. So here we are turning it on for the first time. So it's trying to, it's got an error because we didn't plug this one in. But there it is. That's everything inside the box for your OMRON. And here is a quick specification if you need to quickly check at the specs of this device right here. So here you can pause on the video to check out the spec. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.